Alright, so hey guys, and today we're doing a great race, airplane race. Alright guys, a great airplane race. And this is the most furious one ever of all. The biggest one of ever. It's the Furious Warrior that I call it. It's even bigger than the original American paper airplane. The Cuban paper airplanes are feeling jealous. They're going to find out that they're going to beat that American paper airplane. Well, you guessed wrong, Cuban paper airplanes. Let's show them American paper airplane. Let's show them. It's shiny. Much bigger than the original one. I'll face him. I'll show him. That's all you've got? Well, I got a much bigger one than that. Whoa! The American paper airplane went flying down. The American paper airplane gets 10 points for that. The new American paper airplane. I'm not going to let that American paper airplane win yet. Go, go, go! That's all you got? I got more than you. Oh, the American paper airplane's alright. He did not got what? He almost went over there. He bumped over there, and the American paper airplane still wins. The American paper airplane gets 20 points.